What's up guys, Josiah back with the True Transformation, and today we're doing something kind of crazy. We just got into Arizona, took a flight from Washington DC. First thing I like to do when I get to a hotel is find a gym. There's a gym here at the hotel. I have no idea what it looks like, no idea what equipment it has. So we're gonna do something kind of cool. We're just gonna go to the gym, no plan, no nothing, just gonna figure out what they have, what equipment's there, what's available to us, and we're gonna get a workout in. Spontaneous workout, if you will, just kind of whatever is available, let's make the best of it. So follow along with me. This is a hotel gym workout, Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's rock. So first impression, bare bones, right? Just got a few pairs of dumbbells, treadmill, cables. But good news is we're gonna make this work and you're gonna love it. So let me get some water and we're gonna get started. All right guys, so we're getting into the workout. Never been to this hotel gym before, so basic equipment like we said. What we're doing today, just doing a dumbbell circuit. We're doing a full body workout. So we're picking 1 to 2 exercises per body part and going through circuit style. We're also gonna do things a little differently in terms of the sets. We're not gonna just aim for a number of reps because honestly, there isn't enough weight here to be able to fatigue around 10 to 12 reps. So we're gonna just time our sets. So we're doing 40 seconds on, rest for 20 seconds, 40 seconds on, rest for 20 seconds. You can go through the whole workout and do 1 set of everything, and then if you have more time, you can cycle back through. Or if you want, and you want to pay attention to more body parts or certain body parts, you can stick to that body part for 3 sets and just do 3 sets of 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, then move on to the next exercise. It's totally up to you. So we're covering the whole entire body, doing the best we can to get everything hit from our legs, shoulders, back, abs, chest, arms. Let's get back to the workout. right, guys, so that is our random hotel workout. Got a lot done, and honestly, really could have done a whole lot more too. There's enough equipment to not have any kind of excuse for not getting a really good workout in. Like I said, you can circuit through that as many times as possible if you have the time, or you can just do one time through if you're just looking for a quick sweat. So thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already checked out, we have a bunch of other quick workout, home workout style videos. We have one here that I did not too long ago. It only takes you 5 minutes. You can go check that out. We'll put the link here. And in the meantime, if you want to see any other videos, or if you just have any comments, or if you try this and you love it, leave us a comment below. Make sure you hit the little bell to get subscribed and to get notified every time we release a video. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the channel. Until next time, Josiah Novak, thetruetransformation.com. Talk to you in the next video. Peace.